Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Lino here with some more science and perspective. Casuarina is an invasive alien tree species in the Bahamas, and it really takes over the environment. It causes lots of problems, including property damage. It invades our mangroves and wetlands. But now, because we're in COVID, a lot of people are engaging in backyard farming and stuff, and
We need steaks.
we need steaks for your tomatoes and stuff. So I'm giving you permission on behalf of the Bahamas to go and chop down casuarina
And make
use
steaks.
and make steaks
For your tomatoes, cucumbers, squash.
So check this one out. This is a nice casuarina steak. You just cut off a branch, take away the, make sure it doesn't have any seeds or fruit on it first so that you don't spread them about. But then take off the bark and it'll be a nice good little steak. And the wood is pretty strong too. So hope y'all enjoyed that little bit of science and perspective. I'm here with Alex Baha Yogi.
Hi.
On Instagram, and so you can follow her and see her adventures in backyard farming and leading a more holistically sustainable life. And if you want some trees or plants for your backyard garden and your farm forest,
Don't trip over your casuarina steaks.
yeah, don't get hurt with your casuarina steak. If you want some trees, you can look up the Sustainable Lifestyle on Facebook or Sustain Your Belly on Instagram, and you can reach out to me, Dr. Ancelino Davis, at Sci Perspective on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. All right, peace.